Does this look familiar? You are scrolling through Instagram and you're seeing everyone's killer videos and you're getting frustrated. And then of course IGTV has launched, so there's even more video content to frustrate you. And then you hop over to YouTube and then you go down that rabbit hole and just end up in a hot mess of complete frustration, totally pissed at yourself because you know you should have started that YouTube channel last week, last month, last year, and you still haven't. You've been sitting on the sidelines instead of getting in the game. You've been hiding. You've been making yourself invisible. You've been shrinking back and playing small. We all share these common fears: the fear of rejection, the fear of criticism, the fear of failure, the fear of being judged. But isn't it time to push past the fear? It's time to exit your comfort zone where fear loves to hang out. You know, nothing really impactful, fabulous, or life-changing or exciting ever happens in your comfort zone. So you face the fear, you look it square in the eye, maybe give it a hug and an air kiss, and then you push it to the side. Doesn't mean it's completely gone, it's still lingering over your shoulder. And enter your courage zone, and you know that is what courage is all about. You do the dang thing afraid, even when the fear is still there. And that is where the magic happens. So are you ready to make magic happen? Welcome to your very own personal Rock the Camera workshop. I'm Tiffany Hendra, founder of The Coaching Sanctuary and creator and host of Sanctuary of Style. That's my YouTube channel. And I was a TV host and actress in LA for nearly 20 years. And most recently, you may have seen me on season 1 of Real Housewives of Dallas. So I think I know a thing or two about putting yourself out there, because the reality world is probably the wildest and craziest place to do that. I learned a lot and I can't wait to share my insider tips with you. I have been putting on this workshop live for years here in Dallas, and as a confidence coach, I'm just so passionate and kind of obsessed with seeing women really step out of their comfort zone, step into their greatness, and see what they are capable of and really make themselves proud. How about you? Are you ready to make yourself proud too and finally rock those YouTube videos, Insta stories, IGTV, and your Facebook lives instead of just scrolling and watching everybody else rock them? So I'm here to coach you off the sidelines, get you in the game, not only get you in the game, but help you win at the game. Video is the #1 way to connect with potential clients, to connect with your audience. It's the fastest way to build brand awareness, share your message, make an impact, and make more money. You know, I love to read. I've got books all over the house, but not everyone does. So they may not stop and read your written blog post, your Facebook post, but a video will connect them instantly. So the longer you hold off from doing videos, the longer you stay disconnected from your viewers, potential clients, and all of the people that need to hear what you have to say. So what can you expect on this 6 or 7 week journey with me? First of all, with each session, you are just gonna become more and more confident, and I am gonna call them sessions. I know a lot of online programs say module, but session is just more my vibe. So with each session, you are gonna gain more confidence. You are gonna find your sweet spot on camera, and the way to do that is finding your voice, honing your voice, and truly being unapologetically authentic on camera. I'm gonna give you tips and tools for controlling your nerves, whether you're gonna be on camera or before a speaking engagement. I'm also gonna give you my template that I used for almost 200 YouTube videos. It's very easy, it's effective, and it makes producing your videos foolproof. So it's all about getting you in the momentum of creating consistent, powerful video content, and that's the key: consistency and building your following. Connect with me on social media during this journey. I'm at Tiffany Hendra on both Instagram and Twitter. And just so you know, I kind of like to stalk my students and see what videos they're posting, and I'm always like a proud mama. So who's ready to rock the camera? Let's do this.